In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mid-roll ads to a YouTube video in YouTube Studio. To get started, open YouTube Studio and make sure you're on your main dashboard. This is the control center for your channel where you can manage videos, settings, and monetization options. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Content. This section shows all of the videos uploaded to your channel, and it's where you'll go whenever you want to edit an individual video's details. Next, select a video that is at least 8 minutes long. This is important because mid-roll ads are only available on videos that meet that minimum length requirement. If the video is shorter than 8 minutes, you won't see the option to place ad breaks in the middle of the content. So before moving forward, take a moment to confirm that the video you choose is long enough. After opening the video you want to edit, go to the monetization section in the left menu. This is where you control whether ads are enabled for that specific video and what kinds of ads can appear. If monetization is not already turned on, enable video ads here. Make sure this setting is active before you continue, because mid-roll ads won't be available unless monetization is enabled for the video. Once video ads are enabled, click Manage Mid-rolls. This is the section where you decide how ad breaks will be inserted into your content. You'll usually have two options here. You can choose autoplace, which lets YouTube automatically decide where ads should appear based on the video structure, or you can manually place ad breaks yourself if you want more control over the viewing experience. Manual placement can be useful if you want to avoid interrupting important moments such as key explanations, transitions, or emotional parts of the video. After choosing either automatic placement or setting the ad breaks manually, click Save to apply the changes. That final step, make sure your monetization settings and mid-roll preferences are updated on the video. And that's it. You've successfully added mid-roll ads to your YouTube video. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to place ads in spots that feel natural so the viewing experience stays smooth and your audience is more likely to keep watching.